and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, welcome. So for today's video, I decided to review none other than the Tarte Mermaid and Make a Waves palette. This is an absolutely gorgeous palette. I saw it in the Sephora store and I had to go pick it up. I had to get my hands on it. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this beautiful, gorgeous mermaid look, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into this palette. This is so freaking gorgeous. It literally reminds me of the Little Mermaid, and I saw it in the stores and I just knew I have to have this. I mean, let's just look at the colors, for example. Look at these. Absolutely stunning. Now there are shimmers, a few mattes, but these colors are so gorgeous and they just want me to be like a mermaid. I just want to be a mermaid when I see this palette. So I'm gonna do something really fun, super easy to do, that anyone out there can do with this palette, because how could you not want to have fun with the Little Mermaid palette? Even though it's not the Little Mermaid palette, this makes me want to be a mermaid. I have my beachy wave hair going on for this, and yeah, let's just dive right on in. So if you guys first notice that the palette does have the individual names, look at my fingerprints on it. It has all the names on the palette. The pan size itself is extremely small, but I mean, whatever, not a big deal. So I'm gonna start off with this color, Lagoon. Focus, bitch. So I'm gonna start off with this color, Lagoon, right here. And I'm gonna start working it in the outer corner of my eye. I'm not gonna use the transition shade today because, well, there's honestly no point to, so. And as you guys can see, I do already have my entire face completely done, because this is just focusing on the palette and doing a 100% review on this palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and pat this on in here. It's a really pretty color. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty for sure. When I bought this palette, I kept singing the Little Mermaid song, Part of Your World, because that's what this palette makes me feel like, part of your world. Now I'm just gonna do this right here. I'm just patting this in right here. I'm not gonna go any further because I'm gonna add more blue to my lids and really feel like a little mermaid. Why do you always do this? Why do you always go behind the blinds? Cats. Every time I film, it never fails. Every time I film, my cats want to go in the blinds behind me. Anyway, now I do own another Tarte palette. I own Rainforest Sea Volume 3. It's like this really gold shimmery palette. It's gorgeous. I love the looks I created out of this. So I knew that I would end up falling in love with this palette. Not 100% saying I'm in love with it yet, but I mean, so far, it's so pretty. I just love the little color theme. I love the little shell. The shell I cannot get over. And when I see it, I just want to sing Part of Your World the whole time. Now that that color's in there, I'm going to go in with the shade Splash right here. I'm going to go right next to it. I'm just having fun with this palette. I don't even care how this look comes out, because it is just, looks like it's going to be so much fun to mess around with. I'm just gonna pack it on here. Now the only thing that sucks about this palette, I'm gonna show you guys right here, is like my brush literally takes up the entire pan size. There is no fallout so far in this palette, none. And I think that's incredible for such pigment and such shimmery shades to not have any fallout, because all my other ones had fallout. It does have fallout on my skin right here, for sure. I could definitely see the blue falling out under my eyes, but nothing a little brush can't wipe away. You know, normally I do my foundation after I do my shadows, but I was just too excited to dig my hands into this palette that I didn't even care. I don't even care there's fallout, I'll just wipe that away. It's going into my eye a little bit, but maybe it'll make my job easier to do my under eyes later. So, alright, so the retail price on this eyeshadow palette is $42. You get 14 eyeshadows in here, with them being 0.8 grams each in size. It's $3 per shadow. So whether it's worth it to you guys or not, I don't know. I mean, you get 14 shadows for the price of $42. 0.8 grams a shadow size. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can find some similar looks like this cheaper at drugstore brand price. But you can't find this beautiful case. Like, look at that. I kind of want to match the case. I think that's what I'm going for, is like matching the eyeshadow case for sure. I will say that the pigment of these colors is incredible for sure. It's stunning. I'm just so happy with this, and I don't even care. Honestly, I didn't even care how this palette turned out so far. I was just wanting to dig my hands into this because I just wanted to play around, and it makes me want to be a little mermaid. Alright, so for my next step, I'm going in with the color Bubbles. Hard to see on the camera, but I'm going with that color. It's a iridescent color, very similar to the one in the Unicorn palette from Too Faced. You know how I love my iridescent shadows. I think they're gorgeous. I'm gonna pack that right here. Oh my god, this is pretty. I'm having some major fallout on my face. Let me show you. I can like zoom in. I'll turn on the lights just a little bit for you. So I don't know if you can see. If you can see right here. I mean, that's my highlight, but right here, I'm having some major fallout from the shadows. Like, it's like turning my skin just a little bit blue, but I don't care. A simple brush will take care of that. Now, I'm pretty sure anyone out there who's really adventurous and likes to have fun can definitely go in with a concealer and do like cut creases with these colors. I don't have time to do that, but I just really wanted to just play around with this palette because it was so pretty. I literally probably walked by in Sephora for like a good 10 minutes going back and forth saying, should I get it, should I not get it? And right before I left the store, I just turned back around and I just grabbed it. I was like, I need it. I need this in my life. Go under my eye with this. This eyeshadow that's literally now on my nose. It's just now falling onto my face. Only on this side. This side has no fallout. Alright, so my next step I want to do is I just want to go in with the color Nude Beach. I want to go in the color Nude Beach. And I want to put that in the very corner of my eyes because it's just such a beautiful golden color. Doesn't really show up too much. Wow, it's actually really light. Dig in here. There we go. There is really no fallout on the pan whatsoever, but there is huge fallout on my face, so I do recommend anyone wanting to use this palette, just do your eyeshadow first. Don't do your foundation first, because then you're gonna have to sit here and fix it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes and mascara, take care of this fallout, and I'll be right back. You know, I think it was a man who created false lashes. As pretty as they are a fucking bitch to put on. Alright? These are gorgeous, but they suck putting on. I swear, I get so frustrated with doing lashes. But I do it for this channel because I think like the looks look so much better when they have them on, and they're a pain. Men created bras, I bet you men created fake lashes. Everything we do for beauty. So, this is the final look. As you can see, it's super easy, super basic. I literally just threw on a pair of lashes, just did a couple colors on my eyes, and God, I think I'm fucking gorgeous. I really think that I am gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie. I think this look is gorgeous. I think it looked really pretty, and I like it, and I think it's very fun. It's very flirty, and it totally makes me feel like I'm a mermaid. And now I want to do is I just want to go buy a shell bralette and put it on, maybe put on some of like what those like tails that they have now, go out on the beach, go in the water, and just pretend to be a mermaid, because that's exactly how I feel. So I would definitely say this palette is for sure worth the $42. Granted, not everybody wants to go out there and spend that much money. I didn't mind because I literally fell in love with the packaging at first. I fell in love with the packaging, but then when I went and swatched the colors at Sephora, I literally just fell in love with the colors. I mean, granted, there's shimmers, there's a couple mattes, but you can create some really fun, beautiful looks. And for me, this is just, I love it, and I feel beautiful in this. I really do. And I feel like a mermaid. I'm gonna do a quick like zoom in for you guys, just so you can really see like, these are some bomb ass colors, like legit. I really feel beautiful, and I really feel like a mermaid. So congrats, Tarte. You sold me on this one, and I'd recommend this to anybody out there, so go get your mermaid palette. Mermaid and Make a Waves palette, like my hair. Make a wave. Congrats, Tarte. You totally got my 100% approval on this. I love it. So if you guys like me, if you guys like this video, please give me a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you guys be notified when my next video rolls out. And as always, guys, I love you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye! Oh, I'm recording? Shit. I didn't know it's recording. Even though it's not the Little Mermaid, even though it's not the Little Mermaid palette, it's gonna make me feel like a palette. Hi guys! No, I hate that. Hi guys. So the only problem about my eyes is I have very, very large eyes. So having a distance between here and my eyeshadow brown. So I have really large eyes, so to have a distance between my crease and my eyeshadow.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat?
Wouldn't you think my collection's complete?
Understand, let me know, reprimand their daughters. Pregnant women, sick of swimming, ready to stand. People know. Wish I could be.
I know it's not how I sound. I'm not catching my real voice. I'm trying to sing like Amanda Russell. Amanda, I'm trying to sing like you, just so you know. I wanna be where the people are. That's what my best friend sings. Wanna see him dancing. She sings like Elvis. I love it. I love it. I love you. Thank you guys so much again, and I hope you guys enjoyed that horrible singing. Wanted to have fun for you guys and being myself. I'm really coming out of my shell. I'm really having a lot of fun. I'm really coming out of my shell doing this. So thanks for giving me the confidence, world, and I feel like I'm getting a little bit better at my makeup skills. You know, wouldn't say I'm the best, but getting better. These false lashes will be the death of me, but I will figure them out. I will figure them out. So, till next time.